How to remove End Ransomware and decrypt.end files. If you find that some files on your system, photos, videos, archives, text documents, tables, and much more, have changed their extension to .end and cannot be opened or changed, then you have been attacked by End Ransomware, which belongs to the Void Crypt family. Like other similar viruses, End encrypts personal users' data such as video, photos, archives, MS Office documents and so on. Subsequently, cyber criminals begin to blackmail victims demanding a ransom from them for decrypting files. So if you were attacked by End virus, the first thing you need to do is to remove virus itself. We strongly recommend you to use anti-malware software to remove End ransomware. It will help you to remove End from your computer with all of its leftovers and register files. Our choice is Norton Antivirus. Norton Antivirus can detect and remove all instances of viruses, pop-ups, ransomware or Trojans. A regularly updated database allows Norton to detect even the newest computer threats that may be unnoticed by other security tools. Download Norton Antivirus now. Link is in the description. Once the virus is removed, you can begin the process of restoring your files. Disclaimer: none of the methods below guarantee you a 100% result. Please keep in mind that some variants of ransomware-type viruses can delete shadow volume copies of the files, so sometimes there is no other way to decrypt files encrypted by the virus without paying a ransom and obtaining decryption tool from cybercriminals. Restore your files using Recovery Tool. Unfortunately, new ransomware threats are coming every day and there is no way all of them will get decryptors in the nearest future. Due to lack of the decryptors for most ransomware threats, such method of restoring hidden and remote files copies is sometimes the only way to recover data. Stellar Data Recovery is one of the most effective tools that can recover lost and corrupted files, documents, emails, pictures, videos, audio files, and more, on any Windows device. The design of this application is simple and easy to use even to the most inexperienced users. Once launched, select type of files you want to restore and click Next. Select the drive and folder where your files are located and date that you want to restore them from and press Scan. Once the scanning process is done, click Recover to restore your files. After this, select a destination and click Start Saving to save restored data. You can download Stellar Data Recovery following the link in the description. Restore the system using System Restore. To do so, initiate the search for Create a Restore Point and click the top result. Once a new window pops up, click the System Restore button. Then, click the Next button. Here, choose the date before the infection appearance and click Next again. Finally, click Yes to start System Restore. Once you complete the steps, System Restore will return your computer to the previous working state. There is a chance that you get your files back. You may also try using Windows previous versions feature to restore individual files encrypted by ransomware. To do this, click the encrypted file and choose Properties. Select the latest version before infection and click Restore. I hope these methods will help you. Thank you for your attention.